Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, I'm going to teach you how to delete search suggestions on Google Chrome. Basically, before we get started right here, I just want you to remind that if you're using a MacBook, on Apple devices, or even a laptop for this one, please don't be afraid because I'm using Windows OS right now. It's literally the same process, okay? So please stay and watch until the end. And then if you're using your phone, tablet, it's perfectly the same thing, okay? Now with this one, open up your browser, Google Chrome, and make sure that your Google account is turned, or rather sync is turned off. That's the first thing you want to do, okay? Now make sure that's off, and if it's on, make sure it's off first, okay? Now the next one is, let me just show you what is a search suggestion. A search suggestion is the one that Google suggests if you're searching for something. As you can see here, these are the search suggestions, or rather search history right there. And if I type in, let's just say J, it's gonna show the last search with the suggestions for Google. So you can manually delete them one by one if you like. It will actually take a lot of time. However, if you want to choose a more faster way, basically go on this three buttons right there, click on history, and then settings right here, or history right there. Now basically clear all these tabs right here one by one, or if you really want a faster way, clear browsing data and then choose basic. And with this one, just make sure you only leave browsing history checked, because if you check cookies and data, cache images and files, you're gonna delete every data you have, password, email save on all of your devices on this PC, okay? So with that, clear data with that and you're good to go. And that's how you clear browsing suggestions on Google Chrome. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.